Hola guys, hola.
Hola.
Welcome back. My name is Matthews from Zambia, and we've got Crazy.
Welcome back.
Uh-huh.
Where was he?
So in today's video I just want to show you how to use the public transport in 2025 and how to go to the airport by metro. I think you can save up a lot of money if you don't have a lot of luggage. When you just have luggage, like hand luggage, I would advise you when you visit Moscow to just use the metro. And of course I'm not alone. Today I'm leaving. I'm going to see my kids in Siberia. Yes. So of course my friend is here. And the first thing, what are we going to do?
Wait for the bus, which is almost passing soon. Then we go to the metro, and then we part ways.
Yes, unfortunately, we are going to part ways, but we are going to part ways physically, but spiritually.
Together.
Yeah, we're together, and it's quite sunny today. Drop a comment where
Like.
Yes.
And subscribe.
Yes, where you're watching us from. Let's go. And today's weather is quite good.
Right.
It is quite sunny, and we are just using the public transport here in Moscow. So first we are going to use a bus, then metro. It will take me direct to the airport.
We wait for 20.
At 120 is no. If we are, I can wait for 120 to go together. Fine. This is the bus. This one, it takes me direct to where I'm going. This one. To where I'm going. We're deciding whether to get on this one and this one. How was your first time when you took the bus?
We took buses here at home. What do you mean?
No, I mean here because it's quite different.
It was comfortable and great.
So guys, now we are going to take a metro from here. Wow, this is the first transport that you need to understand how it works. So let's go.
So not everybody takes metro. Some people live very close to metro.
Yeah. So if you live close to the metro, you just walk. And if you live a little bit far like us, we take a bus, and this is an EV bus. It doesn't use gas. Yeah, you can see how it looks inside. Papa, we have exited. Now we need to connect to the metro station, and my friend, of course, is carrying the bag. Because I've got a carrier bag and I've got a camera. There is even new buildings, and most of the times when you are using a bus, they stop on the metro stations, such that it is going to be easy for you to connect wherever you are going, because the metro is spanned across Moscow. It is one of the cheapest and fastest mode of transport that you can ever use here in Moscow, because there is no traffic, there is no any inconveniences. So it's one of the reliable modes of transport that we use as Russians. Yeah. And this one is called Michurinsky Prospect. So I've almost arrived to the metro station where I'm going, but my friend needs to connect because she's going to the clinic. Look at these modern apartment complexes being built. Yeah, I remember the first time we were using the metro station, we got lost so many times.
Because of you, mostly.
Yes, so it is very...
I actually trusted you with the map, and you didn't do a good job.
So this is the metro. Finally, we've arrived. And probably would want to check what is in my bag. Metal detector. You want to pass it through there. So mostly you do the metal detector thing there. I will wait for her. Yeah, so finally we are here, and just look at the interior of the metro. So good, so nice. It is quite ultra modern. So if you ever come to Russia and you don't know what to do, I would advise you to use the metro because it is very fast. If you don't want to use a lot of money, because I remember there's one guy who came from these Arabic countries and no yeah, so just stop, it opens, and this is where we have to depart ways with my friend. You are going this side, me I'm going this side. Okay,
Bye bye.
enjoy Moscow.
You were my only other entertainment. You're going.
So that's it. Now I'm using the metro, so it will take me direct to the airport where I'm going. Yeah, and this is my first time of using full metro going to the airport, and you can see people with a lot of luggage. Why? Because they're also using this kind of transport to take them to the airport. Yeah, this is how you use the public transport, especially if you are using the bus or you are using the metro. And my flight is at 7:30, so I need to get there on time. Yeah, this time around there is congestion, so it's better to use the metro. So I'm just showing you how to get to the airport via metro. So there is a sign there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, here there's always sign. That's where I'm going. So I'll move from here up to the last one. This is how you move. So I have to wait for the metro on the other side. Here. Yeah, people of course with luggage, especially that if you've got hand luggage, it is just easy like this. But if you've got luggage where there are so many things, I would encourage you to use a taxi. But if you don't have many, like the way I have, you just use a metro. You end up using less than $3. Just imagine going to the airport for less than $3. Michurinski Prospect. Let's wait. If you see those lines, just know that the metro is about to arrive. And of course people are tripping. It is weekend, today is Sunday. Let's get inside. Opa. I think it's best I sit here.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция Матьюс.
Yeah, and this is back down here. And people. There. And let's reach the airport together, and it is going to take about 20 minutes. So just imagine if you go by taxi, you are going to use money maybe about $20, but if you are using a metro, it is going to be $3 because it depends where your location is, and you are going to economize on time, because a taxi, it can take you about to 1 hour 30 minutes, depends if there is no traffic. But with this one, just 20 minutes, you know that okay, I'm going to be on the metro for 20 minutes. So those are some of the advantages, and let's go. I hope this video is quite informative. For that, don't forget to just drop a comment and let me know where you're watching this video from.
За это предусмотрена административная ответственность согласно законодательству Российской Федерации.
So this is how you just arrive at the airport, just like this. So I have arrived finally at the airport called Vnukovo. So to be specific, this is the only airport that you can use a metro direct. It will bring you to the airport. But if you want to go to Domodedovo, if you want to go to Sheremetyevo, there you can use a metro. Then after a metro, you can use a bus. But this one, it will bring you direct here to the airport. So this is how you just use public transport here in Russia generally, or to be specific. Now I need to go and see what is happening. I hope I'm not late. You know, whenever I'm traveling, I'm going to not a new place, I'm going somewhere, especially either on a train, either on a plane. I don't know why, I just get worried. So at the moment I'm kind of worried, but it is what it is. And let me take you to the airport. I show you as well the way it is. You can even see the design, how it is looking. So where are you watching this video from? Just let me know. Do you also have metros that can take you direct to the airport in your country? Just let me know. I would like to hear from you to know. Yeah? And it's one of the cleanest and the fastest mode of transport that you are going to use here. So even when I came back, I landed at this airport, so I had to use metro. I did not even spend a lot of money. So even going back again, I'm just using the metro, and this is one of the most exciting things that you are going to find in this world. Look, it's quite busy. It's also an international airport. People, they use it a lot. Whew. I need to find, and the good thing is I've already checked in online because I don't have luggage, which is quite good. Wow, the wind, it's blowing. Ooh. So you see here, you go this side to the airport, and you can even see people moving around Terminal A. I think even mine, I need to check on my ticket there showing Terminal A, if I'm not mistaken. And this is how you arrive at the airport, using a metro. As we began with my friend, we started by using a bus, then metro, and make some connections here. I hope this video was quite informative. You've learned how to economize money here in Moscow and how to use the public transport. Yeah, there is English and Chinese. Finally. So guys, I would like to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It was Matthews, aka Matthew08 from Zambia. Peace to the rest of the world. Here there are cameras. Yeah, I need to check my time. 19:30. Yeah, it is not, mine is not showing yet. 19:30. I'm going to Yakutsk. Yeah, I'm going to Yakutsk. Here it's only showing St. Petersburg. So guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Peace to the rest of the world.